Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the GPU in the notebook settings so the instance will allocate a GPU device. Click Settings, choose the GPU accelerator option, then save and restart the session. This forces the environment to provision the hardware. You do this first because the kernel must boot with the GPU assigned. Once done, verify the device list using NVIDIA SMI or Torch. CUDA is available. That confirms the driver and hardware are reachable before installing any libraries or running heavy workloads. Next, you prepare the software stack so your code uses the GPU efficiently. Install versions of PyTorch or TensorFlow compatible with Kaggle's CUDA. Run pip install in a notebook cell and avoid long caches so the session stays clean. Once libraries are installed, explicitly set the device in your scripts. Device equals CUDA for PyTorch or TF. Device for TensorFlow, because that directs tensors and models to GPU memory. After that, run a quick tensor creation and math operation to confirm kernels execute on the GPU without errors. Finally, you execute your workload cautiously and watch for common issues. Start with small batches to validate memory usage and monitor the GPU using NVIDIA SMI so you can see utilization and temperature. If you encounter CUDA or runtime errors, make sure the installed library versions match the instance CUDA. Then restart the kernel and re-enable the GPU to reset drivers. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched CUDA versions are the usual culprit. Reinstall the correct wheel or switch to a compatible library release before rerunning the job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.